Hello everybody, how are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe in your home. In my last class, I discussed about some problems and their solutions of chemical bonding. Today I will discuss some boards, problems and their solution of periodic properties and their variations. So first I will take the year ICSE 2019. The first question came, choose the correct answer. The most electronegative element from the following elements. And the options are A. Magnesium, B. Chlorine, C. Aluminium, and D. Sulfur. The question is most electronegative element. Magnesium, aluminium, these are metal. These are electropositive element. So we can exclude these two. Now chlorine and sulfur left. We know that chlorine is more electronegative than sulfur. So the answer will be chlorine here. So chlorine is the most electronegative element of these following elements. Next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 came from this chapter, that fill in the blanks. Question is in period 3, the most metallic element. So in period 3, most metallic element. Options are given: sodium, magnesium and aluminium. And your answer will be sodium, because sodium, magnesium, aluminium are situated in a period. So from left to right, ionization potential value increases. So sodium has the lowest ionization potential and has the maximum metallic property. So the most metallic element here will be sodium. Next question. Give the appropriate term defined by the element. Defined by the statement, not element. Question is given that the tendency of an element, of an atom to attract electrons towards itself when combined in a covalent bond. So here you have to write the appropriate term. So this is the definition of electronegativity. So the tendency of an atom to attract the electrons towards itself when combined in a covalent bond, answer will be the electronegativity. Next question is given that arrange the following according to the instruction given in brackets. First one is given that lithium, then potassium, then sodium, then hydrogen, in the decreasing order of their IP. In the decreasing order of their IP. So the correct answer will be hydrogen, then lithium, then sodium, then potassium. And hydrogen, the size is very small, and then lithium, sodium, potassium, we are adding a new cell and size increases continuously. So ionization potential value will decrease. So hydrogen has the highest ionization. So that will be the correct order. Next question is given that fluorine, boron, nitrogen, oxygen, increasing order of electron affinity. Increasing order of electron affinity. So here correct order will be boron, then nitrogen, then oxygen, then fluorine. So we know in a period when we are moving from left to right, the electron affinity value will increase. So boron position is the left and fluorine the right of a period. So the correct order will be boron, then nitrogen, then oxygen, then fluorine. Actually boron, then carbon is there, carbon is not given here. So then nitrogen, then oxygen, then fluorine. That will be the correct order of increasing order of electron affinity. Next question is given in the year 2019. That study the extract of the periodic table given below and answer the questions that follow. Answer the question that follows. Give the alphabet corresponding to the element in question and do not repeat an element. The question is given that A is here, then here is B. This is the position of B. This is group 1, this is group 2, then now this one is group 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Next here is given C, D, E. Then G and F. Now the first question is which elements form electrovalent compound with G? So where is the position of G? This one is the position in group 17. So these are halogens. So which element form electrovalent compound? So this one is the element, that is the B. So here answer will be B. So B and G will form the electrovalent or ionic compound. Actually in group B is situated at group 2. So its valency is 2. So the formula of this compound will be Bg2. As this one is one alkaline earth metal, group 1 there is no metal, only one A is there, that is the position of hydrogen. So it cannot form. So only B can form ionic compound or electrovalent compound with G. So your answer will be question 1, that which element forms electrovalent compound with G will be B. Next question number 2, Question number 2 is given the ion of which element will migrate towards the cathode during electrolysis. So here the answer will be A plus. So here A is present and also B is present, and here migration aptitude will be A is higher compared to the B, so A will migrate first. Next question number 3 is given that which non-metallic element has the valency 2. So non-metallic elements are placed at the right side. So here group 16 elements has valency 2 because they have 6 valence electrons. So their has valency 2, 6 valence electrons. So their valence will be 8 minus 6, that will be 2. So here answer will be E. Next, question 4. Question 4 is given which is an inert gas. Group 18s are called inert gas. Only one element is present here. So next answer will be F. So F is an inert gas. In this way, we have completed the solution of the year ICSE 2019. Now total number came in this year is 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 marks came. So in every year generally 6 to 10 marks is coming from this chapter. Next I will go I'll discuss the year 2018, ICSE 2018. In 2018 year, first question is given that give one word or a phrase for the following statement. The energy released when an electron is added to a neutral gaseous isolated atom to form a negatively charged ion. Definitely it is the definition of electron affinity, and the word or phrase will be electron affinity. So first answer will be electron affinity. Next question is reason based question. Give a reason for the following. Ionization potential increases across a period from left to right. So we know that if we move from left to right in a period of a periodic table, the nuclear charge increases as well as the atomic size decreases. So definitely as nuclear charge is increasing, so it will be very difficult to remove the outermost shell electron by applying energy. So definitely from left to right in a period, the ionization potential value will increase. That will be the cause. That you have to write. Next, question number 3. Question number 3 is given that in period 3 of the periodic table, the element B is placed to the left of A. Suppose this is one periodic table or period. So the element B is placed left of element A. So this one is the position of A in period, and the element B is placed at the left of A. Now on this basis of this information, choose the correct word from the brackets to complete the following elements. First question is given that the element B would have lower or higher metallic character compared to the A. So as B is placed at the left side, so generally in a period from left to right, metallic character decreases. So definitely the element B would have higher. So it has higher metallic character. Higher metallic character. Higher metallic character. Next question is given from this part also. that element A would probably have larger or higher electron affinity than B. Generally, from left to right in a period, electron affinity value increases. This is because of the increasing nuclear charge. Now the question is, the element would probably have lesser or higher electron affinity than B. So definitely the answer will be higher, as B's position is the left of A, so A has higher electron affinity compared to the B. Next, question number 3 is given. Question number 3 is given. The element A would have greater or smaller atomic size than B. So element A has greater or smaller atomic size than B. So from left to right, when we move across a period, the atomic size decreases because nuclear charge increases. So definitely A has smaller size compared to the B. So that will be the answer, okay, of this question. So in this way we have also completed the year 2018. In this year only 5 marks came from this chapter. Next we will discuss the ICSE year 2017. Here first question was the energy, fill in the blanks. The type of question is fill in the blanks. The energy required to remove an electron from a neutral isolated gaseous atom and convert it into positively charged gaseous ion is called electron affinity, ionization potential, electron negativity. This is the definition of ionization potential. Definitely the answer will be ionization potential or IP. Next, question number 2. Match the atomic number 2, 4, 8, 15 and 19 with each of the following. So here some atomic numbers are given. Question number 2, atomic numbers are given. That atomic number 2, 4, 8, 15 and 19. Now first question is given. Question number 1. A solid non-metal belonging to the third period. A solid non-metal of third period. Generally third period elements atomic number started from 11. So here a solid non-metal, okay, and its atomic number will be non-metal of third period is solid, that will be 15, because here 15 is third period element and it is a non-metal. So the answer will be 15, atomic number 15. Next question is given. The metal of valency 1. A metal of valency 1. So what will be the answer here? First one is given atomic number 2, not possible, and metal will be valency 1. How to understand? If we write the electronic configuration, then you can easily understand. If I write the atomic number 19 electronic configuration, then we will get 2, 8, 8, 1. So it is the fourth period element and situated in the group 1. Here number of valence electron is 1 and valence will be 1. So the answer will be atomic number 19. Next question is given. A gaseous element with valency 2. Question number 3 is given a gaseous element with valency 2. So valency 2 means it is present in the group 14. So in group 14 definitely the atomic number of 8. Atomic number 8. So here its valence electronic, if we write the electronic configuration, that will be 2 6 and valence will be 8 minus 6 will be equal to 2. That is nothing but oxygen. So here the valence will be 2. So answer will be the atomic number 8. Next question is given an element belonging to group 2. An element belonging to group 2. Now here if we write the electronic configuration of atomic number 4, that will be electronic configuration, that will be 2 2. So definitely this element is present in group 2 and the question was the element belonging to group 2. So answer will be the atomic number 4. Next question number 5, a rare gas. A rare gas. Rare gas are generally helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, and here atomic number 2 is nothing but helium. So answer will be atomic number 2. Atomic number 2. Next question is given that arrange the following elements as per instruction given in the year 2017. First question is given that helium, argon, neon. In bracket is giving that increasing order of the number of electronic cell. So we know that the position of after helium there is neon, then there is argon. So helium to neon to argon, the number of electron cell increases. So that will be the correct order. Next question is given that sodium, lithium, potassium. So here ionization energy, increasing order of ionization energy. So here we know that lithium smallest size, so its ionization potential will be high, and potassium lowest because size is biggest here among these three. So the order will be potassium, then sodium, then lithium. That will be the correct order of the increasing order of ionization energy. Next is given fluorine, chlorine, bromine, increasing electronegativity. So we know that fluorine has the highest electronegativity here. So increasing order of electronegativity will be first bromine, then chlorine, then will be fluorine. That will be the correct order of the increasing order of the electronegativity value. Next one is given that sodium, potassium and lithium, increasing atomic size, increasing atomic size. So definitely the answer will be first lithium, then sodium, then potassium, as they are in group 1, and from lithium to sodium to potassium the number of cell increases, so their also atomic size increases. So today I have discussed 3 years 2019, 2018 and 2017 ICSE board questions paper. So hope all of you can understand. You please practice. The problems are given in your book as well as the year's question also. Okay. Today up to this. Okay. Thank you.